Hey everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about solar battery chargers. Before we get into that, if you haven't had a chance to subscribe, please click the subscribe button down here, ring the notification bell, and give me a thumbs up. Also, if you think anyone else might be interested in this, down below or above the subscribe button is a little button that says share. Share this out, social media, or you can just copy the URL up here and email it out to your friends. All right. Solar powered battery chargers. What am I talking about? I'm not talking about the big, huge arrays that go on the top of your house. I'm talking about the simple backpack type ones, or the small ones that are about a foot square or whatever. They have a specific use in your preps. If you have a backup generator that's electric start, they have special battery chargers that go on there that keep it. That's a trickle charger or battery maintainer. Those can plug into the wall, but they also have ones that are solar powered, and they help keep your battery nice and fresh. You also get the more expensive ones that have the desulfifiers in it. Keeps the sulfur from building up in the battery, but from the trickle charge. There are also ones, and those same solar ones go on your RVs and your if you have a motorboat, to keep those deep cycle batteries charged as well. Then there's the other ones that are for a different type battery. They're the ones for your rechargeable AA, AAA, C, D, and 9-volt batteries. All right. These are some are just a small unit like this, and it's got the little solar panels right on the cover of it. You open it up, and it has the slots for putting your batteries in. There's ones that actually unfold, and it has several panels, and some have a little battery bank themselves built into it. But those don't charge your smaller ones. Those are for charging cell phones off of and things with USB to charge. But they do have the fold-out ones that have the little box on it that you put your AA, AAA, C's, D's, and E's, and 9s in them, and everything else like that. So you need to figure out what's going to work best for you, because if the power is out for any length of time and you're using all your flashlights up, you're going to kill all your batteries, and you're not going to have any light. So if you have rechargeable batteries for your flashlights, have one of these solar powered battery chargers to keep those batteries fully charged and fresh and ready to be used. All right. Don't just go out and buy the first one. Do a little research, look into them, check the reviews on them. Some of them say, oh, we do this. They have a big old detail of everything it does and all about it. And you check the reviews, and just about everybody says it's crap. So make sure you get one that has good reviews. They talk about how good it works, and all the information about it. Check on ones that have good customer support on them as well. Then buy. All right. So that's it for battery chargers. I hope this gets you thinking, and you get out there and you can get what you need. But in the meantime, everyone, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't do anything foolish. And most of all, keep on preparing, keep on learning skills, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.